Welcome back to the World Model Podcast. In today's episode, we'll be discussing the artisanal model, the return of craft in an age of giant AI. Everyone is racing to build the biggest model, the trillion parameter, data guzzling, energy incinerating Leviathan that knows everything about everything. But there is a countercurrent emerging, one that may define the very next decade of practical AI. The artisanal model. Small, exquisite, purpose-built world models trained not on the entire internet, but on a curated, high-fidelity dataset of a single complex domain. Think of it as the difference between a massive industrial combine harvester and a master Japanese knife maker. The combine harvests everything. The knife maker uses a specific steel, a specific temper, for a specific cut. The artisanal model is the knife maker. Take a company that builds industrial pumps. Instead of fine-tuning a gargantuan general model on pump data, they build a world model from the ground up. Its training data, decades of proprietary CAD files, vibration sensor logs, fluid dynamics simulations, and failure reports. Its latent space doesn't contain concepts for Shakespeare or cat memes. It contains a perfect, compressed understanding of pumpness, turbulence, cavitation, metal fatigue, seal wear. This model can perform miracles for its domain. It can design a new pump in simulation, predict its failure mode after 10 years of a specific use cycle, and prescribe the exact maintenance schedule to avoid it. It does this with a fraction of the compute, with crystal clear interpretability, because its latent space is so cleanly domain specific, and with no weird, unpredictable behaviors inherited from internet chaos. This is the industrialization of tacit knowledge, that deep, unspoken expertise in a veteran engineer's gut becomes encoded in a small, powerful, and ownable model. The value shifts from who has the most compute to who has the most and best, cleanest, and most representative data for a specific slice of reality. We will see a blossoming of these artisanal models for specific chemical processes, for rare disease diagnosis, for managing a particular city's unique grid. They will be the trade secrets, the competitive moats made not of code, but of crystallized understanding. My controversial take is this. The trillion parameter general model will become the chaotic, creative, and slightly untrustworthy internet of AI. But the real power, the trillion-dollar industries, will be built on top of millions of these silent, exquisite, artisanal world models. They are the specialized organs of the global intelligence we are building. The giants provide the background knowledge. The artisans get the specific, world-changing work done. This has been the World Model Podcast. We don't just chase scale. We recognize the supreme power of focus. Subscribe now.